The Innovation service tile is all about application modernisation. It's designed for customers who've maybe got a legacy app or have got an application they're looking to move to Azure, but they want to take advantage of new architectures and new services. The Innovation service starts with an envisioning workshop. We will sit with your team over a series of 1 or 2 or 3 sessions, and we get to understand more about your application, and we explore the possibilities within Azure. Maybe we'll start doing some assessments. So what will it take really to move your database into a PaaS service? Do you need to refactor queries? Do you need to look at changing the way maybe the application functions? So we'll start to work with you to float ideas. And the idea of the envisioning workshop really is to come up with a target model in Azure. So what are our goals? How do we start meeting and working to that objective within Azure? Once we have a design from the envisioning workshop that we will work towards, the next bit's the proof of concept. Our team will work hand in hand with your development team to stand up the Azure resources, pick up in sprint tasks, and start working on that development process to make sure we can get a good, true, tested, working, modernized application in Azure. Then it's all about the go live. So our team will work with you to get operationally ready, to get the right structure in place for Azure, dashboards, monitoring, so you can go into a go live with your new modernized application with the right level of confidence. If you're considering modernizing your application to take advantage of the services within Azure, reach out to the team today and we can arrange a short 2-hour workshop session to explore what's possible.